Chai Summer Ginsberg, he sold his house and he moved into his ice cream truck and that's how he managed.
Der redt so schnell.
Bis ungekommen ankommen Geld für Menschen, was ich gezahlt für the hotel. Because what if it's not a good day? What if Pink Tiana took it up, or whatever?
You were the first one to do this?
My social security number is 117. We'll leave the last digit.
Das ist ein Mann.
Now, instead of managing one little tiny part of a business, you're now going to the big picture, risk management of the whole business. Or they should get things going stock.
Sie wollen so...
Han Tamer, Harav Rebbe Summer Ginsberg Schlita, a sehr bekannter Mensch in der jüdische, indigoische Welt, a riesiger Consultant, tit a pur andere Sachen, ist auch a Ruf in a Besmeidrisch in Jerusalem, sein eigener Besmeidrisch. Han Tamer ins de Kove, dem zu hoben, du. Soll sagen alles, was weiß, around sein Business, Marketing, Business Consulting, in Psychology.
Ich kriege für die scheine, warme Introduction. Das ist der erste Mal, die macht die Episode, suchst nicht, ist der Gründer von...
Right, weil ich warte, dass die so sagen.
Okay.
The question is er reinkommen von das Roll?
Ich meine, ich bin reinkommen, weil ich nicht nach der Gassene von Nice. Aber es kann sein, dass der Sibbe gehen von dem.
Der Sibbe gehen von dem, not von dem.
That's a good way of looking at it. Es kann sein, dass die ganze Sache vor der Nice geboren geworden.
Und hat jetzt Gassene
gehabt. Jetzt Gassene gehabt, alles wegen dem.
100%. Ich habe gesehen, dass ich Sachen... Hindsight is 2020, amul is a mensch solche zu sehen, to connect the dots, but alles was in weiß, alles zu geschehen ist Letoive, and sometimes you see it many, many years later.
And what's Letoive? Podcast.
After the podcast, when you have me on the second time, I'll be able to explain to you what happened the first time that made it worth my while to come to America for the podcast.
Geweldig.
Wow.
The story, the outcome of it.
Now we know we have an episode 2.
Okay?
Ja.
Can't wait. No, lass mir ein bisschen Arm schmissen von dem Neuese.
Chai Summer Ginsberg. Ich bin geboren in Tezain, Shvatuf Shimem. My social security number is 117. We'll leave the last digit.
Das ist Mann.
Imagination.
Das ist ein Mann.
Actually, do you know that we can wissen von einem Mensch social wie geboren? The erste number in the social is between, I think, 050 and 130. You're born in New York State.
Mans is 071, heb je gezegd.
There you go.
Okay, ich habe nicht gewusst, dass wir sagen, dass socials live, but ich plane schon gemacht, so let's move on.
Nein, der Ron will nicht wissen,
I'm with you.
There you go. My English birthday is February 3rd, 1980. If you want to do, if you need to know the social and the date of birth.
Een ganzen 8 uur alter vandaag.
Hashem, ja.
Ja, deze geschenk is een uur zurück. Sollt ihr wissen, das Manns noch gewinn halb braunlich. Corona hat das... Also ja, fragt mich eigentlich, Philipp, ist den ganzen was? Sag, white is a gorgeous color. It's gotta last long.
Ich habe eine gute Idee, mit Beten von der Kusche, and I call it in Yiddish,
Versammelt.
the people behind the scenes here, to make a note of where I said my social, and to make beep over the second or two over there, it'll make even the whole episode even more interesting. But anyway.
But in Summerus.
Ich bin aufgewachsen in Flatbush, gegangen in Bobov, dann muss ich noch gehen in Bobov, so I don't have to ask me which Bobov.
Hij had ik gaan naar
Und Tatel sein gesinnt, ist jeder größt am Chuchem, und ich kann alles besmedrisch, if that's the question. Und Tatel sagt mir allemal, sein gesinnt, die hast allemal gewollt ein Schiel, weil ich habe nicht kein Schiel. Und ich habe nicht gewollt kein Schiel, weil mein Tatel hat ein Schiel.
Hij geht.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
So, Hashem, ich bin solche Zerwani, ich schleim mit der Kodesh, ich hab da Eibestellt hat ein klein besmedrisch, ich gesuche gewinnt so mein Stückchen Scheiches dazu. And it was a lifelong dream, aber Hashem.
Jetzt,
I scratched it on, it's one of the things I wanted to accomplish, and Hashem I accomplished.
wie hast du umgehoben dann...
Da habe ich gemacht, das spezielle Chesed, für Jeden in general, und dann eigentlich specifically, als man auf 10 Jeden zu Minyan nicht hindert.
Wow, das ist ein größer Geste.
Ja.
Wow. Wenn hat ihr reingegangen in ein Business, wie hat ihr umgehoben, wie sind ihr umgekommen zu wie ihr sind dann?
Okay. So, ich will nehmen mit einer kleinen Akdome. Number one, ich weiß, kaum Menschen hier aus der Welt, die ich jetzt sagen. Was ich sage jetzt, ist nicht kein Hint für der Zweiten, wo es zu tun, aber Buche hätte so, ich habe so getan als Buche, soll so getan als Buche. That's not how it works. In general, als ein Mensch noch Matzliach sein, der Chilik, eine Sache muss zwischen einem Mensch Matzliach, ein Mensch, der nicht Matzliach ist, ein Mensch, wo es nicht Matzliach, ein Mensch, der sagt, hat aufgemacht, als sein Business, ich will auch Matzliach sein, ich auch aufmachen, als sein Business. That's not really a way to be successful, because in aufgemacht, als Business, wenn nicht für jener Business. Wenn die kommt aufmachen, als Business, du pusht eine Kapi von jener. So do a hockey quote. Don't skate to where the puck is, skate to where the puck is going. Beide Chazor got a mammer. Essentially, so what I did, before I'm going to say now what I did and how I got to do what I do, but it's not pshat copy me in what I did. If you want to learn something from what I did and you want to copy it in the sense of do something different using the same mindset, not copy what I did. Nicht weil ich mal in competition. Nur weil the idea for not finding a need and filling it. Ich habe gerade gehabt einmal im Kippur, einer von umgeriefen, gelasst eine Message auf mein Hotline. Hallo, ich bin ich bin ein Business Consultant. Und ich gebe Sachen von anderen Menschen ein, es geht von dir, ich bete dich Mechile, weil ich suche nicht von jenem, als kommt von dir. So der Maße geht das so. Jeder Mensch's Leben ist ein Puzzle, a painting, call it what you want. In der Eibischte geht jeder Mensch gewisse Challenges, lassen wir es riefen, gewisse Lessons, gewisse Connections. Als ein Mensch, nimmt das alles zusammen, kann sich gut bauen, stark bauen. Zum Beispiel, wenn ein Mensch kommt zu mir, mit mich Eize, ich frage, sag mal, Mensch, wusste dann Tate, wusste dann schwer, wusste das, ist gut nicht mehr, why are you even asking me that? Ich will geben Masse wegen dem, ich gebe Masse wegen dem. Ich habe schon gesagt, Masse nicht vergessen, sie kommen zu mir Aid, sagt mir, will reingehen in the business, can Risk Management. Risk Management meint, lassen wir sagen, als Delta Airlines will nicht, dass Planes sollen crashen, aber sie wollen auch nicht jede Mal ein Plane land, wollen sie nicht service in the plane und geben the plane a ganz complete overhaul, because it costs you viel Geld. So the risk management guy has to figure out how often do I have to fix the plane. It should always be in good working order, but nicht oft, als es nicht schatten von meinem bottom line. So I said, I started talking to him, why do you want to do this? Halt mein Gitten, da immer hin, her. Sagte mir, kicke her, was ich will, der Mensch ist ein älterer Mensch. Ich said, what I did till now doesn't matter. Und für die ganze Conversation, ich bin in Hebräisch. Doesn't matter, ich will, ich wusste getein bis jetzt, ich will nicht reden wegen dem, schön. Ich habe geeizt der Mensch, ich gesetzt mit dem Mensch 2 Schuhe, 3 Schuhe. Zum Sof frage ich ihm, okay, jetzt haben wir geendigt die Schmiss. Wusste getein bis jetzt? Er sagte mir, dass hat invented a Software, was der Software ist, was das auch größte Companies nutzen, zu sehen, ob seine Employees gehen gewinnen oder nicht. So das heißt, wie sie testen, ob sie arbeiten oder nicht, ein Mensch kommt und sagt, dass hat eine Idee für diese Sache. So lassen wir sagen, er hat größere Clients. Lassen wir sagen, ich will nicht sagen, echte Clients, aber lassen wir sagen, ein Client, also wie lassen wir sagen, mit einem Walmart ist ein Client. So sie nehmen halb der Employees und man geht zu den Test, halb der Employees und man geht nicht den Test. Und nachdem sagt man, ich habe die Employees bei Geneiwe. Er ist ein Employee, was genommen den Test, nicht genommen den Test. Und auch gewesen, dass Employees, was nicht genommen den Test, haben gegangen wird 1000 oder 10.000 Mal so viel, wie die Employees im Jahr genommen den Test, man gesehen. The test can get identified, so the Mensch get the Arbeit.
So get the product.
So get the product, and then they rolled it out across. And that's how great companies are going to zahn Software. Habe ich ihm gesagt, Rabid, ich hatte dich früher gefragt, dass ich getein von Panusse nicht dann, weil I was curious, because I wanted to figure out, when I'm explaining to somebody why you're doing this for a living, what your background is. I said, now I have a good story. You started out by building software to help people with their employees. So ich schon mal zlieg gewesen, es gab größere Clients. Lass mal sagen, ich schieße am Nehmen, nicht echte Nehmen. Post Cereal, Walmart, Coca-Cola, Honda, mit Target, fine. Yes, it's schon phone secured, and the software wird genutzt in der ganzen Welt. Now, instead of managing one little tiny part of a business, you're now going to the big picture, risk management of the whole business. I was able to build him a backstory, 100% ehrlich, 100% emes, using what he did in the past to be able to explain to people what he did now. Baruch Hashem, he's very much liach in risk management. Wie lange mein Vetter, der Karl Rebbe, sich zahlt, wie gut Schluch hat gelebt, pflegt kommen jede Jahr zum Schiede, weil, wenn ich umgearbeitet bin, am Judendzweig, habe ich ihm gesagt, this is something special to see, and vielleicht kommen jede Jahr, Wochen, ich weiß, Schuhe halb, und ihr Schleim, kommen sehen die... Anyway, so back to our conversation. Wenn ich bin gewesen an Bocherl, wenn ich bin an Jingel, besser gesagt.
Wie die gewohnt?
Ich gewohnt an Flatbush.
In Flatbush, ja.
Damals ist Computers gewesen eine neue Sache. Nou, ich suche nicht gewesen eine neue Sache, als in der Pentagon gewesen Computers. Das ist ein Mensch, der hat einen Computer in der Heim.
Bei Taten ist es nicht gewesen.
Personal computer.
Und ich bin gewesen an Jingel, ich bin eine Sache wie ein Computer, ich denke nicht, ich hatte kein Hard Drive, ich bin der erste Macintosh. Und wir haben aufgemacht, der Computer gewesen, als eine kleine Picture von einer Disk mit einer Question Mark in mitten, mit einer langen Disk. Das ist gearbeitet, der größte Disk mit einem Loch in mitten.
A floppy disk.
Was heißt a floppy? Wegen amul a floppy, man kann beigen. Floppy means it's bendable.
Ja, ja.
Wenn der größte Disk, der 9,25, bei der größte Mainframe, so 5,25 und 3,5, der Disk hat der Sachen gekannt.
Jeder Programm, das gewollt Word, das Ding müsste rausnehmen Excel, anlegen Word.
Ja, aber Word gekommen später. There was Microsoft Paint and Microsoft Write, and there was the Apple Paint.
Exactly. Was weiß denn der Kleine?
If you think Microsoft Word is sophisticated, think of WordPad. If you think WordPad is sophisticated, think of TextPad. I think it's called.
TextPad.
Okay, very, very basic.
It's ITs.
Right. Now, wenn man gemacht der Software, der Apple noch gewähnt, kann jüdische Hand. Und ich kenne den Mensch, der gemacht der erste jüdische Hand. Und sie haben es gehabt, und sie gewähnt auf der lebenden Computer gewähnt als Sticker, man gewiss von der Typewriter, wie das da sein. By the way, why are the OCs on a typewriter, QWERTY, QWERTY, I'm losing it, haven't done in a while. QWERTY, ASDF? No, it's not.
ASDFGHJKL.
That's ASDF, the second line.
The second line, yeah.
QWERTY, UIOP, ASDFGHJKL, ZXCBVM. That's the keyboard. Why is the QWERTY keyboard shaped like that? Because in the olden days, als die Jid mit nicht den ganzen schwarzen Bild kennen mal sein, when you hit a keyboard, every time there's little hammers, and every time you hit a key, it went tack, 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 tack. So any letters that were used very often next to each other, in order they shouldn't get stuck. So any letters that are used often next to each other are on opposite sides of the keyboard, so that when you type really fast, they shouldn't hack it. So now, the reason why computers today, even though nothing gets hacked, there's a lot of things like this in business and life.
But it's a type also, nein?
The reason why right now, there's other keyboards that are better. There's the Dvorak keyboard and other keyboards, and in different countries, keyboards are different. But the reason why we have a keyboard today has nothing to do with anything except that, once upon a time, I'm a sorry to say, because we used it.
Es ist sehr gering, weil die Sache, wo sie nicht quite often zusammen, ist der andere Seite, kannst du nicht in beide Hände, types sich schneller. Weil die drückst mit der Hand und der
Very good. The main goal is that the asanas shouldn't hack into each other and leave you stuck. Anyway.
En deze gewin nog vast, ik kan daar met de bolly. The typewriter with the bolly.
What is with the bolly?
Instead of these hammers, it was on a ball. En ze gedraaid, die ball geld met een draaien.
Als je met de color fax machines. Ik ga niet go to gewin. I skipped that part.
Ja.
Ik ben een kind, dan ga je er stencils. Dus geen copy machine stencils.
Oké, goed gerecht, ja.
Ik mag met andere color stencils. Ja, colorful blad. Anyway. So. Me Indian, boys Indian.
So das tun haben.
So we had a sticker which had the Hebrew keyboard on a sticker, and man gewollt schreiben so, hat man geschrieben Alef Yid Suf Mem Reish, Alef Yid Suf Mem Reish, man getyped Reish Mem Suf Yid Alef, because it was only this one.
Okay. Yeah.
So at that point there was something very, a bisschen später, yeah, there was something very common called shareware. Shareware meant that, so nicht wie Hand begeit an Handschen, auch nicht so, ich gedenk als, I'm giving him, I have no problem giving him my age, but I feel like I'm getting too nitty-gritty. Amula gewinnt at Kiefer, wir gingen in Focus auf der Atzente Avenue, wir kauft a box, in der Weine gewinnt Software, und das ist mir gekauft, was daheim genommen, was genitzt. Fine. Handschen die Software as a service, man geht Photoshop, man sollte jeder heute Geld haben, things like that. But then what's gewinnt, sagt, es ist Shareware. Shareware gemeint, als man bekommen Software for free, oi man hat nicht lieb gehabt, an der anderen System hat man sich auf der rauswerfen, oi man hat es ja lieb gehabt, dann man es gedacht zu und schicken $10 für die Menschen gemachte Software. So I was very fascinated by this idea. Besides, Menschen schicken Geld in the mail. So gewähne Sache, damals das Hand ist so common, man hat nicht something unique about it. So guys in icons. Wenn ein Mensch ist der Computer, amule gewähne, jede Document, der hat a picture von einer Blatt mit der Corner rübergebeugen, jede Application, der hat a picture von einer diamond shape mit der Hand, mit der Pencil of them. It was very, and a folder was a picture of a folder. Hand, jede App mit jedem min Doc, mit andere min Icon. At that point, ich habe gesehen, as in the world of shareware, the Menschen, was verkaufen Icons. It's not just software with programming, it's software in the sense that it's something you install on your computer and you pay, if you like it. Is in some damals gehatten daheim, und dem ich kann kaufen für ein paar $, was auch Geld, aber 10.000 Stücklich Clipart. So wenn das 5.000, 10.000, noch so 40.000, it's a guy's Clipart explosion. 40,000 pieces of Clipart, so gewinn. So, da habe ich mir das gewinnt, ganz eine pushte Sache, that if you change, using a program called Graphic Converter at the time, but if you change an icon, an image type, from a PNG, there's no PNG at the time, from a GIF to a JPEG, or GIF, or JPEG,
yeah.
Fine.
By the way, man kann sagen, Google auf dein Phone. The Hey Google, sucht dich ein Territz, und the Search Google of Chrome, sucht dich der andere. Ein sucht GIF und ein sucht GIF.
Well, considering I say Tesla when I speak about Tesla, and people say it's Tesla, not Tesla. So, jeder sagt mir, it's wrong, it says Tesla.
It is Tesla.
Elon Musk says Tesla, and he's the CEO of the company, so if he says Tesla...
And it's going to
episode 1. Dogecoin or the Dogecoin?
Well, I'll actually tell you, since there's a Shibu Inu, which is what the coin is based on, it's actually Dog coin.
Doggy, yeah.
Right.
Doggy.
Okay.
Yeah. No, okay. Z and a S.
That is off topic.
A lot of words are Z and a S. If you're from England, from like British people, a lot of times they say different things.
Ja,
Germans say Widemans.
Da hast
Yes, you get that.
Ich habe a friend was a voice note. Same idea. Anyway, so
So nicht Kleenex 7 der Sachen. This is whatever you do is fine. So to get back to topic, I figured out if you convert something from a GIF to a JPEG, then when you convert it, it makes the thumbnail of the image into the image in tiny.
It downgrades it.
Yeah, but you're actually ending up with a preview of the image.
So macht es get a picture von der Sache was das gab.
So then I was able to take that and use a program called Hex Editor to edit it a drop, and I was able to turn them into icons, put them onto empty folders, and I created shareware of custom icons. So legally I had the graphics, I didn't design them. I just had the shareware CD.
SVG files, icon file?
No, it was in Mac. It's called theoretically an ICN, but there's no such thing in Mac because there's no extensions that are visible. I'm talking about before the days that Mac used Steve Jobs' company Next as the back end of that. I'm talking about the original Mac software. But anyway, no Linux backend, Unix backend. But anyway, where I was going with this was that I actually put this out there on the internet. It's still out there if you look for it. One of them is called, I believe, the Cuckoo Icons Collection.
Of us?
KUKU. Don't ask me why. I had a lot of names. I was looking for random names. And when I made the form that you fill out if you like the icons, I did two things that no one had really taught me to do, but I thought would be interesting. Einzige wenn so. Ich habe gesagt, if you send me $10 in the mail, will ich dich schicken noch 100 icons. I think 180, noch 100 icons in the mail. And by the way, jetzt ich glaube, the erste Mal push it because I never really came out to talk about this in this way. If I remember correctly, I didn't even create those icons until the people started sending in money, which tells you the end of the story. Right? Why would I make it now? But ich bis hand. Wenn ich pflege machen Seminars, wenn ich machen Seminars, is ich pflege heimlich booken der Hotel. Ich pflege riefen der Hotel, ob es available ist, ein gewisser Tag. Ich pflege ads. Bis umgekommen ankommen Geld für Menschen, was ich gezahlt für der Hotel. Because what if it's not a good day? What if Pink Tiana took it up, or whatever? Once I have a few people paying the big bucks, I'll pay the hotel because then money's from other people.
Ich hoffe, als Lakewood Host, wenn einer callt und so hat, dann muss er nicht zu sich in Dieres.
Ich habe morgen jetzt eine von seinen Dieres in Florida, ich bin schon gesagt zufrieden. Und ich hoffe, als beschützt dem, am Rett von ihm, nicht weil because it's coming up organically in a conversation. Ich hoffe mit dem mit mir zu sein, als die Menschen sehen aus dem Episode mit Azi.
Nicht sehen, jetzt raufkommen Lakewood Host noch.
Ja, ich muss verstehen, dass es mir in Linie bei Sydney ist, dass Scheich ist, was mir nicht stamm, it disturbs the middle of the thing, boom, you know.
Kommt ihr kein Lakewood? A Shabbos mit der Familie oder a kleine Vakatie? Lakewood Hosts ist du für euch. Wir stehen gerade mit einer Auswahl von herrlichen Villas, Mansions und Suites. Herrlich und sauber, Geschmack und liftig, von Ein-Bedroom-Apartment bis größer rachwüstige Häuser, welche akkommodieren größere Families. Lakewood Hosts ist nicht nur in Lakewood. Lakewood Hosts vermugt auch Dieres in viel andere Gegenden. Reingerechnet Muncie, Crisjoil, in über Upstate New York, South Carolina und noch. Zugestellt auf dem höchsten Standard, herrliche Zimmern in a kuschere Koch. In Sachen, was ihr darf tun, für Schabbaskoidisch. Alles, was ihr darf zu machen, eine Vakatie bequem. Alle Häuser befinden sich nun zu schielen, in heimische Geschäften, zu eurer Bequemlichkeit.
LakewoodHosts.com Disturbs the middle of the thing, boom, you know.
Bei der Meretschen, ja, will ich geben ein Shoutout für MS Optical. Maar gelesen hat sich gebracht in der Woche. Und ich bin heran in den Stores, aber ich gebe mir 2 Tage, sie gemacht, meine Lenses mit alles gegen einfach, so es kann um eine Zeit für den Podcast.
Noch mal to clarify.
Sei scheine Gläser, und ich will geben, du hast Shoutout zu der Heilige Bar-Chef, aber ich habe kein Gläser, ich darf kein Gläser.
100%, ich will geben ein Shoutout zu Getty Gas Station, weil Hand bin ich reingegangen, das nenne weinig, ich bin 4 Minuten auf groß gewachsen mit meinem Vitamin Water, was ich gesagt habe.
Wow. I want to clarify also, it didn't break, someone smashed it. I don't know the actual story, but that's what happened.
Exactly. En was hat die creëerd als als so this is one.
The icons.
So Tom schickt mir $10.
So ich habe gemacht the application, the form filled out. Gestanden so, if you send in this form, please you send it, I will send you 100 more icons. Noch noch gemacht into them. Stand for fun. 2 selection boxes. You're going to like this.
Okay.
$10 for to license the icons. $35 for a site license.
It's on this website.
Es ist nicht ein Website damals. Not like today. So in ARPANET, which was run by the Pentagon, and there's nothing.
Kids in Russland.
Email addresses were like
At Yahoo,
4989, comma, 2182.compuser.com or something at bbs.newyork.ny.
Whatever.
Ich gedenke, muss man geschickt ein File zu downloaden, sie können 12, 14 zu downloaden, man hat aufgeben der Phone mitten downloaden, der ganze Download gegangen. Wir können resume.
Das ist man gehört auf den, wenn das aufgehoben
dann. Der erste Mal der Oilem hätte, war das dann ability zu machen 9600 board the sounds.
Anyway, so back to topic.
So why did I do it? Because it looked steady. That's the real honest answer. But then I went to camp. Ich bin nicht mehr in der Cats Club, ich bin jetzt gewähnt, ich gedenke, ich bin in Camp, welcher Camp ist gewähnt? Ich meine, ich bin in Camp, ich lerne uns beim Christen Reben, ich ist das Christen, in Camp, meine Eltern gehen in die Schule auf der Zimmer, meine Brüder mich kommen visiten, shout out to my favorite brother that lives in Borough Park, that taught me about rolling green lights when you go from Crown Heights by Simchas by Scheibe to Brooklyn. So hat mich gebringt my mail. I'm coming to visit you. I'm coming to visit you. I bring the garbage bag full of checks. In camp. Literally, I booked in camp. Now, where we do checks in camp? Give it to the canteen. So I filled out an envelope. I didn't know the address, but I remembered that on Avenue J, corner, Coney Island Avenue, there was a Dime Savings Bank. So I wrote on the envelope, Dime Savings Bank, corner, Coney Island Avenue, Avenue J, in Brooklyn, New York. Ich habe angelegt dort checks. Ich habe nicht endorsed in the back. I didn't know all this stuff at the time. Ich habe es geschickt and all the money made it into my account. And deposited by mail the old-fashioned way. But was the most interesting part of this whole thing, besides the fascination of getting checks and understanding that there's people out there that will pay you and that there's people out there, they don't care if you have a long beard and you don't speak English, they don't care anything. They don't care which college you went to, if you didn't go to college. At the end of the day, if you're providing them value, they will pay for it. They still will get in Darton. The other interesting part was that I started getting most checks for $10, but some checks for $35. One of them was from a man named Michael Spittler, and his email address was michael.spittler@newton.apple.com. And he gave me $35 for the right for Apple to use my icons on the entire site.
Wow.
So I can honestly say, I got Apple computer for a customer, a client maybe is the wrong word, as a book in yeshiva.
But
so what? It was $35. I don't have to say that part. You have to know what to say when not to say.
How much did you...
Hinderte Menschen.
Hinderte Menschen. So it's when a Bucher created icons, darach GIFs and...
Again, I didn't design, I'm not an artist. I didn't design the icons. I simply figured out, B'siyata D'Shmaya, something that if I do this, that's freely available, and this that's freely available, and I put it all together, I have something unique that I can ethically and legally sell.
So,
and once I saw it was working, I started doing more of them. And don't forget your question, but I have one more point to this. There's something called the MIT HyperArchive, which is run by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which sounds very stary, but it's...
Der redt so schnell. Ich kann nicht die Sachen nur so.
So schnell episode, weil ich bringe mich spät. The cameras, okay. So jetzt hat der Customer...
Hyperectomy,
MIT.
Thank you. The MIT HyperArchive. So the MIT, koidem kol, your software gets into MIT, als je noch etwas auf einer Resume zu sagen, my software is in the MIT HyperArchive. But jede zwei geduschen fliegen sie rausschicken a disk von alle Sachen, was sie mal angelegt. So it was like, it's called the Infomac Archive, jede zwei geduschen, jede heute gelenkt fliegt kommen als a Sache von a poor disks. So I'm thinking like this to myself, wait. They charge money for it, but if your software is on it, they send it to you for free, especially if you learn to write in the thing. The software is freely for download, but if you put it on a CD, you must send me a copy of the CD on which the software is placed.
Okay.
So then I started creating one thing every 2 months because I wanted the free CD. Because to download, you get to hear the sound again. So in order to not have to deal with that, I get every single piece of software that's released.
Was haben sie getan, welche Software haben sie created?
No, sie haben gewähnt a library, wie der Library gearbeitet. Jede zwei Edition, blinkt zusammen, alle Gitter Software, was
right, but welche Sachen
I got 5 stars on CNET. I was the #1 most downloaded software for 16 weeks straight, I think.
Wow.
I was on it for 16 weeks, then said this week #1, last week #1, weeks on list 16, like the bestseller list. Ich kann noch ergens a copy von der Zerrissene Blättel, was ich geprintet, was ich hatte. So anyway, your question was?
I wanted to know, you came up with this thing alone, meaning it didn't exist beforehand, or there were other people that did this?
There were people out there that spent time, pixel by pixel, literally, saying, okay, let me design a frog. So they made a green pixel, and they made a little frog working within those that limited number of dots.
But I'm saying as icons, for icons. You were the first one to do this? Or
no, I met a guy. I met a guy. I found an icon thing. I still remember. It's called, the guy's name is Mighty Toad, I think was the name of the company.
Stimmt.
The guy, Mighty Toad. And
He's
he made
Mighty Toad.
icons. He made icons, I copied him. But I was different than him. Number one, if you gave me money, don't forget, you got more icons. That wasn't the standard. So I gave you bait. Don't just pay me because you like me. Either feel guilty if you're not paying me, or pay me and you'll get more. And that's how I learned about bounce checks, because somebody named Verona, I don't know if it's the first name or last name or the street they lived on, but that was certainly part of the check, bounced on me, and then I learned you don't send out the icons till it bounced. Then at one point I did a software that said if you donate, you can either give me on a different piece of software, but you can either send me $5 or send me a $10 check made out to the American Red Cross. Why I did it? I was experimenting, like a lot of things. Many people sent me 5, some people sent me 10. One person sent me 10 and said, if you can prove to me that this check goes to the American Red Cross, I will send you 5 for yourself. So I made sure the check went to the American Red Cross, and I sent them back a thing, and he sent me $5 for myself. I never knew there was a place called Guam until I got a money order from Guam for my icons.
Where's Guam?
Guam is in the Pacific, I believe.
Where's
it's one
the
of the places
Pacific?
where the American Army is stationed. It's some territory of America or something. I'm not that familiar. I like to be intelligent on a thing. But more or less, that's...
Ich kann nicht
Guam.
gewiss wegen der Platz sagen, bis die bist rausgekommen auf der Show.
There we go. Guam, Guam. So I ended up learning a lot about
Okay,
a lot of
anyway,
things.
so
One
let's
thing was
fast
the
forward a little bit. Wie bist du umgekommen
Please make a fast forward sound. No.
That's a rewind.
Nee, kann ich nicht.
So, wie bist du gegangen von machen Icons mit
Okay.
alles was das getan, gemacht Geld als Bucher, wie kommst du und
So now.
So, ich hasse nicht gehabt, das tun zu kosten, Geld. Also, ich will das live, we gotta get live serious.
Ich habe einen in Lakewood. Ich muss sagen, Spruch genommen, sein erster unsere Schule Mordge. Samba Mitze ist gewesen bei Erich in Tufshin, I don't know, was ist Tufshin in Tess, roughly. Anyway, in Bazamba Mitze habe ich getroffen einen, in draußen von der Bar Mitze, in the Capitol Hotel, weißt du, lebt noch the Capitol Hotel in Lakewood?
No, I think they took it down. Yeah.
And der Mensch hat gehandelt mit public companies. Und ich habe bemerkt, dass into the Sachen von der public company steht into them, we have been paid $25,000 for a 6-month promotional whatever for this stock. Meaning to say, mit darf sagen, it's not, ich bin nicht da unbiased, this is a paid promotion basically. So when I saw that disclaimer, I realized, okay, Menschen sehen sich aus companies that mich hinzuzuholen Geld for promotion. So I realized if they're going to pay $25,000 to him, why wouldn't they pay $25,000 to me? And that's how, this has nothing to do with what we said previously, but we discussed life as a puzzle. The next part came from understanding that public companies, again, don't care what your name is, what you look like, what your education is. They care about results. If you can do something for them, bring them eyeballs, visibility, etc., they're willing to pay for it. So from that, I remember asking that guy's permission. I used to egeveen in their business if I can do the same thing. He said, do whatever you want. So then, at the time, all cell phone numbers were 917, and all home phone numbers in this area, area were 718, except Verizon let you take a 718 cell phone. This was mamash when cell phones were an ayazach, especially the small ones, StarTech, Chili. So I got a Verizon phone only because I wanted a 718 number for my cell phone, because I was worried that public companies that are going to call me are going to see a 917 number, they're going to know I'm a cell phone. 718 number, ben ich mensch mit the office. I was in yeshiva. I don't want to say learning Flasi because I don't want to stumble, whatever, but in yeshiva, and then Bainas Durham, I had my phone, and it was not a smartphone, it was a cell phone, and I kept it in my pocket. Every time it vibrated in my pocket, I got very excited. And this was and then when companies started calling me, asking me for, can you do this, can you do that? I said, ich will do eine kleine Masse wegen dem, und sie viel Prutem, because la Masse, this is a public thing. But I once was asked by a company if I would do, they asked me how much I want. I think I said at the time, $5,000. Maybe I don't remember the numbers, but it doesn't matter. I said $5,000, and they said, if we give you cash, will you do it for less? I said, yeah, I'll do it for $4,500. And they said, okay. So I was assuming at the time, this is one of the education you get in life, that when they asked me cash, they meant instead of credit card, cash. Or check made out the cash. Because it didn't occur to me that a public company might have it. I'm not going to say. It didn't occur to me that a public company might have any
But was haben sie gedacht? Was ist der Verkauf?
check or credit card related way to pay.
Was ist der Verkauf? Was ist die getan für sie?
Ich habe sie geholfen. Ich habe sie geschrieben, a profile wegen seiner company. Ich habe sie geholfen, expanden. I didn't tell people buy the stock, it's a good stock, and then it went down, that kind of thing. I helped companies, I still do this, Baruch Hashem, find more investors in their company, essentially. It's about visibility. It's just like, I don't want to talk about Bitcoin for the whole thing, but just like Bitcoin or Dogecoin or Dogecoin or whatever you want, Dogecoin, whatever you want, just like all these kind of things. There's a certain number of people that know about something. For every 100 people that know about it, let's say one of them buys, that means by mathematics, if you tell 1 million people about it, you'll have 10,000 people buying or 100,000 people buying, right? Depending on 1 to 10, 1 out of 100, depends on the math. But essentially, the more you expand the visibility for something, the more it can make.
Okay.
Which is why B'siyata D'Shmaya now I'm working on a public company of my own after having done a lot of stuff for other people's companies for many years.
Was het ook, laat me skip me jetzt for a second. Was het jetzt de company was het is?
Veel schoos had drinkwassen van hem, hoor.
Ja,
Ik wil het zo nog eenmaal. Wie lang de red?
Scheur.
Lang de roer red?
Did you know that Poland Spring was in May, not in Poland?
Ja.
Poland
Did you
Maine.
know that Poland Spring...
It's not from Poland Spring.
No, if you put purple drops in it, dan moet het weer een andere color, whatever. Dus ganze dus.
That's obviously a reference to a previous episode.
Yeah,
that I'm not
exactly.
Episode 8. Had me gehad the qualities of water.
Which episode is this?
Deze episode 14.
And which episode numbers mentioned was my second time?
Episode 20? No, episode 20 is
No.
Briar.
I think it's up to you.
26.
26.
26.
That's the one I want.
Oh,
Ah.
26.
that's
That's
nice. What's the
was gewoon
significance
zo mee-
of
gewoon
this
zo
one?
gegaan.
The funny thing is, the Frage bin gekommen durch Hand getracht. Ich lischen basically managed in der Sachen. Ich hab schon eine Schielhand. Ich darf mich ein bisschen watschen auf die eigene, what do they call it, Präsentlichkeit. But I know you a long time and
By the way, de oilem weiß nicht, als in zo'n gehad de interview.
ja, Emerson, I'm on car dick in the country in Lakewood.
Van Barpark to Lakewood.
Ja, gegeben mal durch damals von der Honig, ja?
Yes.
Ja.
So, it's nicht available anymore, but kann sich auflegen ein kleines Stickel.
Zaire get the kasha, ich habe dort, Zaire get the kasha is bestimmt the best question I was ever asked in any interview ever. Weil sie geht daran nach Platz, nicht ein Mensch, you know, guy the usual, sie geht da gewisse Knatsch. Empfer ist ja. Du hast gesagt, wenn jemand sagt, warte, wie ich habe gemeint, ich kann umkommen.
That was in 2017, I think.
Ik ben nog damals going brown.
Just before he was born,
okay.
by the way.
Anyway,
Oh, right.
so now not only that, I've already sold myself on coming back a second time.
Right.
Exactly. So
And by the way,
damals
episode 14 had met gezegd dat me gaat daarover brengen de mens behind the camera.
Oh, correct.
Wat ik me dacht om als guest. En is even somehow een schrangetje, man.
Laat me grap maar picture van hem. Als het me kan erop leggen.
Me mega zo'n...
Nee.
En zo'n gezegd episode 14.
Met de back. Is erop leggen de picture
not the back?
is.
I'm gonna do this best episode 26 and I'll come next time. Can I guess? You know,
Ja.
contest.
Nee, maar het was built up. Jede episode. Gezegd de episode 14 gaat me zoeken.
Ja,
You know what?
Weer
You know what? You want to know who it is? We'll send it to you in the mail as long as you send us $5.
$10.
There we go.
$10?
Yeah.
And if
$10
you're,
if you want
an
permission to
organization,
tell everybody.
And if we'll know that he's real, then the organization gets $10 and I get $5.
Right.
Yeah.
So first, let me answer you about my company with a story. But first, to tell me how much time we have left.
Oh, hoeveel dag er is?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay, so we'll start with the story of Margaret Thatcher. Margaret Thatcher was the Prime Minister of England when she was sie gewesen Prime Minister nicht Suche.
Ja.
Prime Minister.
Primitieve in de storm.
Ja. So when sie gewesen Prime Minister, dann hat England machtet gewesen, als the NHS, the National Health Service, geht coveren nursing home care, basically senior care, für Menschen was davon ist. So ist immer peiche, so wie Hand Medicated Zugen, also von jetzt und ins Zun, für Essen, any Essen, was ist ein Basic Essen, ich habe nicht jetzt in Food Stamps, any Essen, was halt nicht nehmen kann, sicher gehen ins Zun. So suddenly, a lot of companies will be very happy to hear that news. A lot of groceries might be very disappointed to hear that news. Depends if they're making money. It just changes the whole dynamics.
Yeah.
So it's a gewinner mensch, is a Scottish millionaire, heißt Duncan Bannatyne, is a bewusster mensch. In geleint in der Zeitung, also wie jeden einem, damals gonna mensch, got the ice cream truck, geleint der Sache in der Zeitung, gesagt, okay, well, if the government is going to pay for nursing home care, that means that many more people will want nursing home care. Weil alle alte Menschen sind daheim wegen sie willen gehen, sie können nicht afford and suddenly can afford it. Not only that, but it's like Section 8, it's guaranteed income. If the government's paying for someone's nursing home care, then I don't have to worry the mishpuch is not going to have money, because there's a problem in nursing homes, which I don't know if anyone here ever came across, which is, what do you do with a patient that doesn't have money to pay? He's in, he was paying, Akasha Vamas, he doesn't have money anymore. You can't just throw him out.
Government programs.
You try to send him to the hospital, you don't take him back. But that's already advanced.
Also, Como, was? No.
But ultimately, you don't want to get stuck with patients that are not paying, right? So like hospitals have that problem. Wenn man will nicht tun, für illegal immigrants to go some doctor, right? He's illegal immigrant, so he goes to the hospital. He goes to the hospital, he gets care because he's indigent. Which means instead of you, as a taxpayer, paying $40 for him to go to the doctor, you paid $1,000 for him to visit the emergency room because you're trying to save money because he's an illegal immigrant. By the way, it doesn't make me a liberal, it doesn't make it just...
It doesn't make no
fact.
sense. It doesn't make anything, but this is the fact.
Right. And there's a lot of things like that, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this guy, Duncan Bannatyne, read this article and he
Duncan
decided...
bath time?
Duncan, D-U-N-C-A-N, Bannatyne, B-A-N-N, then A-T-Y-N-E.
Ich gemeint also wie Dunkin' Donuts.
Spelled very similar.
There you go.
That's Duncan, this is Duncan, and that's Duncan. I think there's a kosher one in Chicago.
Dunkin'?
So
Du.
Called Dunkin' Donut.
Leben my
Dunkin'.
Ja, du auf 18 auf auf 4 Tamil. Auf 4 Tamil.
Right near the hospital.
Right near the
Leben
hospital.
my man.
Leib my man is hospital around the
Wir
corner.
machen also a
Ich hoffe, es ist Sponsor. Ich hoffe, es ist Sponsor.
Gaat werden.
Noch ein Handy, ja. Everyone who goes into the Chuli store, whatever it's called, the donut store next to Maimonides, so please suchen, als mal gerät von dem of them, wie heißt das, latest talks?
$5.
But that's the real way to get sponsors, by having people go in and say, you don't know about that podcast, that's how we got
Right,
you.
so
Okay.
Menschen sollen reden zu MS Opticals, latest...
Menschen danken der heilige Beschäfer, das darf ich kein Gläser, ja, go ahead.
Ja.
Na, Lakewood Host sponsored schon, so uns darf noch MS Optical mit
Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts.
And Red Cross.
And Red Cross.
Just curious,
And the gas station.
did MS Optical only give you one pair of glasses? Because they should have given you more.
MS?
Yeah, because
Ich halt doch das.
the chances are at some point these glasses are going to be hopefully not attacked by somebody else, but sometime are going to break at some point, and you'll need new ones.
Right.
And if they would have given you two,
But they give me fast service anyway.
that's not a good answer. You have to spend twice the time there.
I think there's a
Very,
shtickle- no,
very
it's an
good
investment.
comeback.
It's an investment for him though. This glasses one day is going to be so famous because of this episode. It's going to cost a lot of money. So if it breaks, it's
Right.
even more. It's
Also
like
wie
a-
der
So why doesn't he
Wasser.
auction off? Why doesn't he auction off his glasses?
Let's do this.
Okay.
See the comments.
You see?
Now, so Margaret Thatcher said she's paying for nursing home care. This guy had an ice cream truck, and he decided if government's paying it, there's opportunity. I'm going to take advantage of the opportunity. Atkadai Kach, that he built his nursing home, and it came to the final inspection, and they turned him down because he didn't have a light bulb screwed in or some random kleine Sachen. Das weißen alle, wie das kein Geiner move, and the Menschen in the DMV hatten jene tog nicht bekommen, er geht morgen von der Mischproche fahren raus in der Arbeit, and they can be even worse than usual. So
Wenn es hat nicht gehad,
this person had no choice. They had no money left. They were counting on this for this. Duncan, he sold his house and he moved into his ice cream truck, and that's how he managed to survive those few weeks till he got his next inspection. He became a multi-millionaire from the story. He did a lot of other things, but this is one of the things. When I got into this whole story is because I nehmt von dem Masse mit mich. I get to puyur that when I see the opportunity for myself, as opposed to doing consulting and helping Eden as much as I can, I help going all kind of non-Jewish people as well. Wenn ich kann help jeden einen, wer sie darf. I've schon mehr Herz bei Eden, but when I can't help it. But Lamasa, this story, as far as the quote, a powerful quote, the opportunity of a lifetime comes once a week. So you have to keep your eyes peeled for it. When I saw this opportunity come around, I decided I'm going for it. My full force, and that's this public company in Baruch Hashem that I have. It started with an idea, and now Baruch Hashem I already have one thing I purchased for it, one I'm in kind of contract for, and one that I'm waiting now. This week.
A week's
Maybe
over.
next week, 1 second. I remember when I spoke to the guy either Thursday or Monday. If it was Monday, he'll be back next week. If it was Thursday, he'll be back this week.
Anyway,
But,
so what's the company?
It's a company revolving around the fact, people call it silver tsunami, people call it aging in place. It's a company revolving around the fact that people are getting older, but not feeling older, not wanting to go to a nursing home, not wanting to retire and play bingo the whole day long, but who want to live as long as possible in their houses, and they are comfortable with technology and different technologies and solutions that can help them live comfortably and happily for as many years as possible. As we said before, 60 is the new 40, which makes 100 the new 80, which makes 80 the new 60.
Right, so what's today
Is it
company?
my famous line? Ich habe keine Ahnung, was hat jetzt gesagt. Was?
Ich kann es übersuchen, aber man hat keine Zeit für them.
Oh,
Nein, seriously, ich will wissen,
Basically, people are living longer.
ja.
Das heißt, der average hand, du mehr ältere Menschen auf der Welt, wie sie gewähnt, der Welt steht.
Okay.
So, ein Mensch, ein Mensch vielleicht, du weißt, man sagt, dass da alle nahe meine Machles, und ich gewähne einmal die meine Machles, jene Masse, hinher, ich habe nahe, wie alt dann, ich weiß da, dann Tatas, wie ist der geheißen?
Man Tatas.
Danse der geheißen.
Gerschen.
I'll get back to you in 3 to 5 business
Wie
days.
hat er gewohnt?
In Ungarn.
Wie in Ungarn?
In... Ich habe keine Ahnung.
Okay. Wie alt ist er gewesen, ist er weg?
74.
Okay, that's pretty good. Assuming that's...
Das ist mir nicht an.
But the Ralph in unsere ältere Seite ist mit älter.
Yeah, the mention
Yeah.
the label is
They
40.
didn't live long enough to have all the medical problems that we have.
That's correct,
Average
yeah.
mensch, alte mensch, going 40 ammo.
40,
50,
gewinnt
right?
56.
Sure.
Is
He
that
died,
the
he was
case?
56
They didn't
years
live
old.
long enough to have all the medical problems that were happening.
And if
They
they
got
did
all
have the medical problems, we didn't even
earlier.
know about them.
No, but I'm saying that they could have gotten the medical problems earlier, and that's why they died.
True. But meaning to say, there was no need for knee replacements when nobody lived to the age of needing knee replacements.
I thought the knee replacements came before. That's why.
I'm
No,
not a
it's
doctor.
not-
I'm not coming here with the gross this
Worn
emerging
out.
medicine.
You
Huh?
have to walk everywhere.
Wenn die bist 30, ja, das ist doch noch nicht sorgen, sie das zum fake sein und sie echt sein, verstehst?
Depends.
Yeah, the China.
They didn't have that.
They had
The
wooden
dentists
teeth.
weren't that
I still
good.
have George Washington's wooden teeth. Well, the China was calling free because they didn't have proper dental hygiene. This, you know,
yeah.
but yeah, in theory, that
The
kind of thing.
idea.
Okay, so that being
So now,
said,
not only that, when I mentioned yoga and krank, they didn't know about all the krankheiten they know today. So if someone had Jena Masa, I'm making this up, 100 years ago, was gestorben, Schmiss ist eine Schicke, mitten in der Nacht, geschlafen und gestorben.
Maar je wist wat een heart attack is of
Right, right. So-
okay, so these...
So now, one second. So now people are living longer, and we know more about aging, and people are living healthier lives. That
Okay.
doesn't mean that you don't never eat a slice of pizza. That's not what it means. It means that la masa,
I
because
don't
of
need a
medicine
slice of
and
pizza.
pills and CAT scans and whatever you name it, people live much longer. Now, not only do people live longer, but people either want to stay working. People don't want to retire, and Menschen who retire, and weißen alle, they lose their sharpness many times. Ich will nicht schon hier sitzen in Gemüde, ich gehe sich in Köln, they lose their...
Anyway, so handige Zeiten, wer ist unser President? A 78-year-old? 79, wie alt is er? En
Kalle,
wer
hast du
is-
mal gesagt.
Ja, er hat schon keine Reception am besten. Ich kann mich kommen.
By the way, old age is always a few years old, even when you're old, it's always a few years older than you are. That's where old age starts.
Yes.
Das heißt, wenn die bis gewinn 15, das ist gemeint, der 20-jährige Mensch, wo ist ein Big Bad, bis gewinn 30, 35, irischen, aber setzt der Mensch, it was 5 years ahead of you. That's where you mature.
But handige Zeiten, kijk, de ganze Congress, alles ist ungefüllt mit alte Menschen. Everything is alte Menschen. Menschen in the 70s. Weißt du, ich meine, wenn es
The
gewinn
point
als
is that
Sache.
people are living longer, they need products and services to help
Government is
them with
run,
that.
große corporations, kick off Microsoft, kick off alles. Wie alt is Bill Gates? Wie alt is Warren Buffett? Wie alt, you name it.
Warren Buffett dann nochmal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Nein.
Also ich meinst das Store?
Billionaire?
Who's Warren Buffett?
Tell you
Warren
Warren
Buffett.
Buffett, aber that's Warren Buffett. Let's...
Richest people is Markovic, Lefkovic, Jakobowicz.
Eine will information about my company.
That's
They
a
reach
different
out to
world.
me, reach out to, rabbi.suman@gmail.com, but ich will nicht werden gar nicht
Ja.
secret. But the point
Right.
is, it's not that I particularly like the smell of nursing homes or vitamin stores. It's that verkehrt. I want to help people avoid that smell. I can't
So
stand that smell.
what's
Right in the
the
house von
company?
älteren Menschen, sie schmeckt-
Einer rief de groen, was the company?
The company is buying and creating different products and services to help baby boomers and those around them to live longer, happier, more productive lives. I'll give you a random example. Gunschmann Company. Ein älterer Mensch, bis jetzt, got a car, will drive, bis got an accident, bis mit Kindern, ziehen him the license. He wanted to drive. Why did he want to drive? Because he wanted his independence. That's the real reason. Not because he
Hij
wants to be
gaat
behind
on
the
his
wheel.
life.
As soon as you give a guy the ability to have an Uber, just like a young person doesn't feel bad taking an Uber, an old person doesn't feel bad either taking an Uber, which means that now he can go to his Einekels, Chimish Sida, whatever, and the Goy Shavel, I'm saying, but people want their independence. It's not, so if you give a person, for example, if you can, I don't want to get too technical, another quick example. There's a camera that tells hospitals when a person's walking out the door, if that person is a patient or a visitor, without knowing that person's face. Now, obviously, it's not always true because what do you mean? Nachtmiddel als patient, Hans Kimmel, man, you know. But which kind of patients is the hospital worried about leaving? They're not worried about you if you're in Chazashul. I'm saying, well, in Saudi Arabia because you're in the hospital for something and you go out because you want to. They're worried about the people. They mentioned was Kalachen that leave the hospital, right? That's what they're really worried about.
Ik ga aan de hospital to beter for advertisements on the podcast, but
There you go. So now, this camera can sense the gait of a person, how a person walks, and it can tell from the gait, just by the back of him, no face is involved, if the security guard should go after the patient and say, "Excuse me, sir, So there's lots of technologies out there. Once upon a time, people in technology, no. Nobody wants a camera looking at them a whole day long. But there are many people that would be willing to have under their mattress a little tiny sensor that would simply sense what time they go to sleep and what time they wake up. And if that pattern changes, doesn't matter what the pattern
Alarm.
is, then it sends a notice to the person, and then if the person doesn't respond within the day to the person's doctor, again, depending on whether, if this, then that, right? The whole there's a lot of technologies out there that can be built into that. Right, the question is, you as the senior, the young senior, how much are you willing to let technology in your life if it means you're giving up your privacy? So it's a very careful balance. And
the government is of the roads, like the lines, so can say wie cars fuhren durch Tag, so alles testen.
That's true. But do you really want that if you don't take your medicine one morning, your son should get an alert saying you didn't take your medicine? And he should call you up and say, Tatis, give me the medicine?
So wenn sich wie all der Mensch ist, kann sich allein einzugeben zu nicht.
No, but the point is, we're not talking about people who are sick. We're talking about
That's why
Amul Mensch am Morgen hat zu legen Kameras in der eigenen dining room and hand alle neue Hase like
you are right, because people are getting more comfortable with technology. That's true. But still, there's a lot of technologies that
It's privacy.
There's a lot of things that you don't even like think about very much. No one thinks about very much, but things that make a big difference. For example, most old people are I don't want to say healthy, but most old people are fully functional on their own until they fall. They fall, they break their hip, whatever.
Steps,
downhill. I've seen it time and time again. So therefore, by saying, if I can prevent somebody from breaking their hip, what I've done is I've given them many more years of happy life in theory, right? You go into a hotel room and the bathtub they have or in a public place, the bathtub has like a big ugly iron handle for handicapped, for seniors, they could hold on. When a person's building their own house, they don't want to put in that kind of stuff because but especially people getting older who are remodeling, if they can get a handle for the bathtub that matches the tiles and it doesn't look out of place and doesn't look medical, put it in. What do you mean? Not for me. No, it's in case Aunt Jemima once comes to visit and wants to. So there's lots
Speaking
of things.
Speaking of that handle, in Juden sind nicht, wenn man das umgehen zu machen, ist gewinn plain a handle. So man fliegt es like ein gerät a plumber. Man fliegt es like ein Grut. Menschen haben sich auch gerät, als nicht genug Handy, weil man darf sich keinen darauf schleppen, haben sie das gleich noch dem Schief. Schief ist aber, sie wird glitschig. Sie sind so aufgekommen, noch dem, mit ein so solche Grids, Bums, also es können ungappen.
Yeah.
In the center,
es wird
but I'll add something.
Sehr interessant.
I'll add something to that with it, which is that when the bar is horizontal,
Yeah.
when it's before they made it sheaf,
Yeah.
the mala is, at least the way people thought of it, was people will think it's a towel rack. It's not sticking out as something for helping somebody. Yeah. But then again, why does it look like a disgusting piece of metal that belongs in a workshop? Why does it look?
Yeah. Okay. So
en dezelfde zaak bij de hast auf den steps, wenn es regnet, ist geworden glitschig, um sagen, like the stoppers for the fees. Wenn du hast sei den steps, es wird glitschig, haben sie die rubbers. Same idea.
Right. Many things, unfortunately, only get created when people get hurt.
But van ook het van mensen was komen over met ideas.
Right.
We zitten met recht en je brengt het to life.
I am busy, Baruch Hashem, thinking of ideas. Okay, hopefully good ideas also. But either buying other people's ideas or licensing them, or if I have I do have one specific idea that Baruch Hashem I'm working on is patenting it. Because once it's patented, that patent in and of itself has a value, both as far as protecting yourself and both as far as a public company. A patent has a value that goes on the balance sheet.
Pending?
No.
Oh, dan moet ik even.
Even if it was. We're not going to go there for a long conversation. But I just want to tell everyone something very important. And if this is the only thing you get out of this podcast, or any podcast you ever hear from these Chushev Yidden, it was worth listening just for this one thing I'm about to say. It has nothing to do with me. There's two kinds of patents. There's a patent that says I'm patenting this pen, and nobody else can make a pen exactly like this. That's called a design patent. And then there's a patent called a utility patent. I am making something which is a plastic, which is a tube, and inside of it goes a pen, which at the end of the pen has a little ball. And between the ball and the plastic tube, there's a tiny, tiny little hole which lets through just a tiny little bit of ink so that when I actually put the pen to the paper, ink comes out. And that is called a utility patent. Now, a design patent is worth nothing, except for the fact you could have it hanging on your wall and on your resume, and you look good when you're talking to people. It doesn't give you anything because I can simply make the exact same pen and make diamond shapes instead of circles and make it an inch longer and make it with a red cap instead of a black cap. and then Shulam Yisrael, you can't do anything to me because I didn't violate your patent.
'Cause an
Utility
idea.
patent means I patented the utility, the gedank for something. So we're talking about a patent pending and people and they get a lawyer. They lawyer gold $5,000 of a patent. You know, gold $5,000. Hey, I'm the smartest man in Brooklyn. You're not the smartest man in Brooklyn. Maybe you are, but that's not doesn't make you the smartest man in Brooklyn. The smartest man in Brooklyn understands that that patent is worthless and that patent may be worth $1 million.
Before we finish the first of the two interviews mit yourself, ist nur ein question, was ich will wissen. Die Menschen, wo es da waren bei Achemes Medrash,
Ja.
sei, das ist die Jiden arbeiten dich nicht. Wieso, sei das ungenehm, als arbeiten nicht, und sei Ruf arbeit, ja.
Verwusst habe ich gegangen in der Welt von geben Eizes. Verwusst ist my business if you think about it consulting. There's a lot of things I could have done, a lot of opportunities I could have had. Why don't I own a bagel store in South Fallsburg?
Ja, de bekannte Schale, de weiß, wie so zu ran business was uns nicht eigen, ne?
So the Schale besser wie der Territz allemal. But in my particular case, ich darf gegangen in der Weg, weil ich gewusst, werden der Chaim Kanievski von dort heißen der Gudla dort beteure. I should never say never, but deep inside, just like I don't think I'm a Mashiach, I don't even know I'm Nachum Breslev Zainikel, I don't think that I'm going to be the Gudla dort. Ich sagte Nachum Breslev, ich sagte Mashiach Zainikel.
Okay.
Now, at the same time, what can I do that is hopefully that builds my reputation as a Kligi Yid, that as I do what I always know I'm going to do, not only it's not a stira, but it actually helps. Which is why I went into consulting. And how did I get into consulting? I'll just quickly tell you. And so pay careful attention, you shouldn't have to say that. Anything I do, but it's from Torah, but it's from non-Torah topics, I try to go deep. Anything that interests me, I don't just, I go deep. So, when I turned 18, I knew there's something called credit cards. Credit cards, student credit cards. How do you get them? What is can you get them before you're 18? Which card is easier than another card to get? What's behind it? FICO score. We won't go there.
FICO.
Fear Isaac and Company. FICO. There we go. He paskin. So, you take your FICO score, there's not one, there's three, right?
Right.
The middle of the
TransUnion,
three. Equifax, Experian, very good.
Yeah.
You take the three. Oh, here's another good tip people should know, and if you hear just this tip, auch gedei gewähnt, was in alle Episoden, was gewähnt, was geht's an. Since the only score that really matters is your middle score, when you're trying to fix your credit, never ever work on fixing the top score. Because it doesn't matter unless you're going for a specific credit card that pulls that score. But as far as mortgages are concerned, always go either for the bottom or the middle. I'm going to think with you here. Why? Because if you can get either one to go higher than your current top score, then the top score becomes your new middle score. And therefore, that's what everything's based around. So Kapunim, I went deep
in. The guy in the bottom, not the middle.
Doesn't matter. Again, if your current top score is going to become the middle score, let's say your scores, let's pick numbers, 690, 680, 670. So now,
why?
Because every credit score is a little bit different depending on which
740.
I was giving an example, not you. You're 740, you're 740,
740 happens to be
41, doesn't matter. Yeah, very nice credit score. Okay. Now, the point is that there's different levels where a bank will give you, or a car loan, whatever, will give you a different rate. So if your score is 680 or 679, or rather, let's say 680, 681 or 679, big difference in your mortgage rate. 620, 621 or 619, big difference. 700, 721 or 719, big difference.
But the 80 changes the difference. So let's say 680, 680, of die als 679, geist about Kim Sacha hegere price
for that.
For this, because
it's just like in Chayder. There's a date that before that date, jeder Kind geht Kita Aleph. After that date, you're in playgroup, whatever, kindergarten. There's a cutoff. Each cutoff. So now, because if your top score is, let's say, 1 point above the cutoff, and they're going by the middle score anyway, leave the top score where it is, and get the middle or bottom score, remove one bad item from that credit, from that thing, or add a card, whatever you got to do, and then once you move that above the top score, your middle score is 681, and then you get the better mortgage.
By the way, Zugus had trap different other pay off than credit card bill.
Or pay off your credit card bill, and never pay it off on the due date. Figure out whether your credit statement generates and pay it off the day before, because it doesn't matter the due date. It matters what shows up on your bill.
Nits nicht kan credit cards.
Oh, but how credit cards? Okay, you get them. You put them in a Ziploc bag. You put the bag you put that Ziploc bag in another huge Ziploc bag. You fill that Ziploc bag with ice. You put it in your freezer.
And don't tell your wife that you have a freezer.
And whatever you said before, okay? And then you freeze it, and then if you ever need a credit card, you have it, but it's not so easy to get. It's a little bit of a mitching to get, which...
when the electric uitvaart van alle air-conditioners at the same time.
As long as the store's credit card machine still works when there's when the electric young we could have it. So so I went into credit. I understood business, credit, how it works, FICO scores and credit scores, and how, Wie Anna wie aus.
Fast again Credit Karma so to explain alle Sachen.
Yeah, well, there's FICO and FACO, and we could talk about that, and the real score, and the Fair Isaac score, and that score, which is not the same, and the simulator, which doesn't work. We could go there also, but
Next time.
not next
No,
time
it's
either.
a reflected score. It's an average.
Time
no?
after.
No,
The
because the Fair
bank
Isaac...
hat een andere score.
You
wie
want-
de-
Wie haalst du den Menschen denn jetzt so von wenn man nicht auf Riege redt? Sei weißen von der alle
To
Sachen?
make a long story, thank you for reminding me where we came from.
Exactly.
To make a long story short, I do everything I try to do deep Siyat Lishma. I did regular credit, I did business credit. From business credit, I had people ask me questions about business credit, then they started asking me general questions about business. So I became a consultant, not because one day I said, I'm not a consultant, because I wrote a booklet, here we're going to a whole nother shmiz we're not going to have now, I wrote a booklet on how to get business credit. And somebody came to me, his name is Andrew Havens, I think. He once came to New York to meet me, from Virginia or someplace, Andy Havens. I'll reach out to him after this episode. Anyway, he came to meet
Shout
me.
out to Andy.
Yeah, even though he doesn't speak any Yiddish. He has a beard though. And it's Yid. Anyway,
Yeah, he's a real Andy.
so he came to New York to meet me, and he proposed to me that he believes I never wrote copy in my life. Now I do. I can write copywriting. I can hinderte columns from Hamodia, and you name it. Come was 6 years, beirich. So 6 year times, beirich 50 times a year, right? It's 300. My math is right, yeah. 300 hours, almost 200, 300 hours of content there. Anyway, so at the time I never had any copy. He came over and said, listen, I have a proposal for you. What's the proposal? I want you to double your price of your product. I want you to give me half, and I'm going to write copy that's going to sell the product. So you wrote a book anyway. I think it's a great book. I'm going to write a web page that's going to sell this book, and instead of charging, you were charging like 25, you'll charge 50, and I want 25. So you're not losing anything because you're still making what you made till now. Anyway, we did it Baruch Hashem, and it worked very well. So that's why I ended up getting into copy, because I saw him write copy, and I started learning.
Maar ik mijn credit cards.
Right, I want to I don't actually have a job. I'm a Kleidzegeber.
What are you doing here?
I'm an Eitzegeber. I'm here for a house. A Rebbe will give me Eitzes nicht prestieren.
You're hiring? Yeah.
Yeah, you answer your question? So there's nothing, nicht the Wochenabbank Shabbos Hatish. There's no steer between what I do on Monday and Wednesday and what I do on Shabbos afternoon.
So,
Baruch Hashem, look, everything's slowly. Ich kann schon gehen the Shiel, ich gewollt das Shiel. Baruch Hashem, till it happened in the right time. It happened. So what am I supposed to do now? I'm supposed to shut it. So, okay, ich, hand bin ich geworden heilig, ich rede nicht mit keinem, der Pinchas, not talking to you anymore, jetzt...
Es wird gefunden von eigen Lines?
Ja, Baruch Hashem.
Wenn hast du gemoved von Amerika zu Etzro?
Ich bin gegangen, ich went in Lakewood, der Tag, was man sehen, mein ältester Sehen, gegangen, ich war 4 Jahre alt, bin ich gegangen, so ein Gebäude in Berich, Schreutisch L, dann ist gegangen, fahre Schuhe im Kippe Sikkes, kann ich es so. We're still there.
Wow. Wie viel Jahre zurück?
Et vergessen du a Weg daheim.
He
Fetzen?
left his
Wow.
ticket somewhere.
Yes, I did not use the return leg of my round trip, yeah.
Is it framed on somewhere?
No, it's digital. That's one of the problems with digital.
Uh-huh.
I muss
14
brieven,
wow.
von Seides,
Turn
von
it-
älter Seides Hand, du kann brieven, gar nicht mehr. It's all digital. When the hard disk gets
You can
lost,
turn
there's no
it
pictures.
into an icon for a folder. And
It-
print screen. Okay, anyway.
It's the same thing as one time coming to the podcast, you're stuck, you can't leave, you're gonna have to be here a second time.
Keep coming
Like-
back.
Yeah. There's the principle of consistency, which is when a person does something, they don't want to be sorry to themselves. So man muss das von dem.
Ja.
So Cialdini, consistency, wir sagen an der ganz schmiss, 2 Minuten. Consistency meint, in short, ein Mensch will sich nicht allein so sein. Das heißt, ob die Geister hinter Tiden in die Fähig sei, der Moshe, der Selig, der Salman, ob ich gehe schreiben, was für teure ist, da geht mal Parasha? Der bet nicht für Geld. Du sagst, nur ob. Und sagen, ja, in nur dem Kimst, der schreiben, was für teure, die alle Menschen müssen doch geben Geld. Weil sie haben doch, when in a non-threatening way, they already agreed that they would. So now they do. So ein Mensch will sich nicht so sein. So when a
But ich will so kommen 3 Mal auf den Podcast, so geht auch nach Menschen Option von chosen von 3 andere Podcasts. Es kann watchen, was ich will.
Yeah, although I do things in segments, Lamasa Gret, if someone doesn't hear this one, then I can understand the jokes that you make by the next one, which you refer to.
Doch, ich will dich danken
Größen
von
Schkoer. Bei
Raufkommen.
Emma's a größen
Schkoer,
Schkoer.
Schkoer.
Ja,
There's
gewacht
a
for
lot
the
of-
opportunity.
By the way, yeah, I barely
Huh?
spoke this whole thing. I have a lot of questions. I wrote them all down. This is all for next time.
You can record it, he can leave it, you can talk to me.
And
not joking.
I also have to go.
No. There's a lot of information
A lot.
Ja,
that
und
I got.
haben schon gehen reden. Und
Sehr interessante Episode bei Emma's. En mit
Sure.
mij was zelf, there's a lot what to schmies. En deze gewinnt just als een introduction to the podcast. En ze gaan met haar op.
ja,
Mij
das
was zelf.
haben noch ein Schein reingegangen, a volle 2 questions. Was
Eine, was being recorded, right?
Yes.
Von Ending mit einer Sache, als vor Corona, ich pflege handeln eine Sache mit Menschen auf Zoom und Skype, hat mir weinige der gut heimische, sei gewähnt mehr in person dahin her. Same thing back to I took this Y company previously. One of the things technology does, especially now with Corona and lockdown, this and that, is a lot more people, even older people. Zoom, ich bin ein alter Mensch, komm mit Zoom. Everybody got used to the fact you have to know how to do it, manage participants. You have to know, right. It made the curve. People went up a certain curve, technologically speaking. So having said that, I have Zoom. I use Zoom pretty much all day long. I sit in my son's bedroom, which is my office. Have a nice background, so nobody has to see it's my son's bedroom, because he only uses it at night. I only use it by day. So I should. So ich sitze daheim, ich rede mit Jeden, ich arbeite mit Menschen. By the same token, you can do episodes.
Redt mit Jeden, arbeitet mit Menschen. So geht. Ich kann mit Tatsache reden zu Menschen und arbeiten mit Jeden. Das ist doch mal nicht.
Man weiß, ich sage, ich habe Chaim nach dem Ginsberg, ich sage, ich vielleicht suchen, mit Avdavanen, wie Achusid, lernen, wie Litfak und handeln mit Goyim.
Ik ga daar water vissen. Beide, ik wilde danken nogmaals van Kimmen. Ze hebben gewaard voor de opportunity. Ze hebben schmiss gedoucht om te rekenen.
Deze dans aan mooi vindt, weil ich habe angeregt dat 25th hour in my day today, weil ich habe nicht gesagt, ze kommen nach.
So please next time make it easier on us.
En
clients come to me. I don't travel.
Ik wilde zoeken aan school van de cheesecake, miniature cheesecake. Dus ik had bij die genetische rol. En ik heb gekomen. Dus ik ben zeggen, ik ga nog altijd pictures, by the way.
Please don't give him more than a miniature. That's all I can take.
It was very good.
And a special shout out to compliments. We forgot.
Compliments gift shop.
Compliments gift shop.
Like with us.
Shuna Kim.
Shuna en kennen Shuna.
Deze gaat niet te mijn zijde, maar Shuna kan komen zu mir.
Oh, Oman, ja, fine.
Is dat einigel?
Ja.
Ja, schon. Sagen Sie.